Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the installation of LED performance steering wheel for BMW F10. Here is how it works after installation. It is the original steering wheel on the car, we are going to install now. The first step, use a screwdriver to take off the airbag. There is a metal lock, push it, and easy to take off the airbag. Important notice: turn off the car when you are taking airbag off. Our engineer need to make the wiring test later, so he keeps the power on. Now the airbag is taken off. The airbag warning light is on. We made a video about how to turn it off. You can subscribe us and check it. Take off the socket and cables and then take off the steering wheel. Now, the steering wheel is taken off. Remember the item is clock spring. Leave it alone, don't turn it or play it. Now, time to install the LED performance steering wheel, full set like this. It is made in sport shape with black leather. And it is with carbon fiber trim. Now, take all parts from the original steering wheel to the LED performance steering wheel. Here is the full set of the LED performance steering wheel. The steering wheel, OBD smart module, and wiring. This module is connected to OBD2, and get the data from OBD and send data wirelessly to steering wheel. This white socket is connected to OBD2, and we give extra white OBD plug back for the car, and the gray socket connected to the OBD module. Installing the steering wheel back to car. Check the socket cables of the steering wheel switches. For European and USA cars, normally it has one cable for 12 volts, and one cable for ground. We install the airbag back to the car, and start the testing to find out which cables are 12 volts and ground. Prepare a towel for protecting the airbag. Don't make scratch on the airbag cover. Use this tool to make the find out the 12 volts cable and ground cable. We test on the red cable and wait a little bit. The data keep around 12 volts, and this cable is 12 volts. And we are testing the brown one. It is the ground cable. If you are not sure about how to find the 12 volts and the ground cable, please ask some engineer or us, we will help you out. And please notice, not all the 12 volts or ground would be in red or brown color. Make test or check your car repairing manual. Now we are start making connection of the LED performance steering wheel. LED steering wheel need to take power from the 12 volts red cable. And we make the connection for it right now. This red cable is a power supply cable for the LED steering wheel. Let us make the connection. This brown cable is ground, and make this brown cable connected to the ground cable of the LED performance steering wheel. This yellow cable is a booster cable, a spare one. If you are connecting power by 12 volts, no need for this cable. Make sure all the cables connected well, and install the airbag back to the steering wheel. Final step, connect the OBD module onto the OBD2. Now, the installation is finished, and let us have a quick test. The LED light indicating according to the RPM level, and the turn signal indicating light also work well. By the way, not all the car supports the turn signal indicating. Contact us if you want to know whether your car supports or not. That is all about how to install OHC motors. LED performance steering wheel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video, and if you like our video, please give us a like and thumb up. We are going to make more videos about steering wheel tuning. You can subscribe us to view more.